All right, guys, so I'm trying to work on your packet this week, giving you some information to help you out. And this is for number 10. I don't know if you remember how to work these out, but I noticed last week that a lot of you were getting these wrong. Almost everybody's getting them wrong. So I want you to watch this video, whether you think you know what you're doing on number 10 or not. So you're going to have to take each answer choice. This is answer choice A from number 10. So what I've done is I wrote my whole equation out. And then I've divided two different sides, one for the reactants and one for the products. And notice that I have all of the elements that are in the reactants and in the products, and they're both in the same order. So then I'm going to go count my elements on each side, and if it's balanced, they have to match up from side to side. So I'm going to try to write and hold my camera at the same time. This may go terribly wrong. All right, so this is iron Fe that doesn't have a subscript or a coefficient. So there is only one of those. So when I get to chlorine, my subscript tells me that I have 3 atoms of chlorine, so I'm going to put a 3 here. Now, my sodium, I have 2 of those. Because this carbon right here doesn't have a subscript with it, this 3 only goes with this oxygen. So carbon, just like if you have a variable in a math problem, if there's no number beside it, there's just one of them. And then here is my oxygen again. So I have 3 of those. And then I'm going to go do the same thing on the other side. So iron here, it says I have 2. Chlorine, I've only got 1 of those. Sodium, I've got 1. Now here's where I need you to pay attention. I know that most of you know from looking at this already that this is not balanced, but situations like this is where everybody is getting confused and messed up, so I really need you to focus with me on this. Okay, so because this is in the parentheses, this 3, the one on the outside, goes with the whole parentheses, which means this 3 goes with everything inside of it. So that means the 3 goes with the carbon, and it also goes with the oxygen. So because this carbon doesn't have a subscript of its own, but this 3 goes with it because it's outside the parentheses, then I have 3 of those. Now my oxygen, I've already got 3 oxygens. And so what this 3 tells me is I have everything that's on the inside of this parentheses, it's present 3 times. So I have to multiply, not add. I'm going to multiply this 3 times this 3, which is going to give me 9 oxygens. Okay, because again, what this tells me, if it's on the outside of the parentheses, is that I have 3 molecules of CO3. All right, hopefully that helps. That's only answer choice 1. And again, I know that you can tell immediately that this is unbalanced because of the iron, but please, please be careful when you get in situations that have these subscripts that belong to the parentheses. I'm going to work another one with you that has a coefficient in front of it, like on answer choice B in the next video.